Hi everyone. Imagine you're in deep sleep and I wake you up and ask you what kind of triangle is this. You will get angry, but you can instantly tell they are acute, right, and obtuse triangle. But what about these triangles? Only one triangle seems obvious 3, 4, 5 if you know about Pythagorean triplets that this is a right angle triangle. So let's see what decides this. That is law of cosines. We state that for any triangle with sides ABC and angles as capital ABC, A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Similarly for B square and C square. Let's take any one of these to find our triangle. First, let's take acute angle triangle where all angles are less than 90 degree. Since we know sides of triangle, take C as the longest side. So angle C can be anywhere between 0 to 90 degree and cos C will lie from 0 to 1. If you don't remember this, let's look at the graph of cos theta. Focus on this region. When theta goes from 0 to 90 degree, value of cos theta ranges from 0 to 1. This makes 2ab cos C greater than 0 and C square less than A square plus B square. And this is valid for any acute angle triangle. Secondly, in a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. Since C is the longest side, that makes angle C as 90 degree. Cos C is 0. Also 2ABC cos C will be 0, which makes C square equal to A square plus B square, which also proves Pythagorean theorem. And lastly, for an obtuse angle triangle, one of the angle is greater than 90 degree. Since C is the longest side, angle C will lie between 90 and 180 degree. And to look at the value of cos C, again look at this region. If theta lies between 90 to 180 degree, cos theta will lie between 0 and minus 1. That makes cos C between minus 1 and 0. 2ab cos C will be less than 0 and C square will be greater than A square plus B square, which is again valid for any obtuse angle triangle. Coming back to our question, a triangle with sides 3, 4 and 6. 6 is the longest side and 6 square is 36. 3 square plus 4 square is 25. That makes C square greater than A square plus B square. We can clearly say the angle is obtuse angle triangle.